Everyone has seen those furnace tune-up ads promising to tune up everything for a super low price, but turn out to be a pitch to get a technician in the door to sell unnecessary add-ons. At Comfort Solutions Heating and Cooling, we won't do that to you. For $129.95, we offer a comprehensive 15-point furnace tune-up. It touches everything, from cleaning the burners and flame sensors and lubricating all motor bearings, to inspecting the flue pipe, checking the thermostat operation, wiring connections, carbon monoxide levels, and so much more. Our complete furnace tune-up has 3 functions: to ensure your furnace works at its optimal level, to help avoid a costly furnace repair or replacement, and to guarantee comfort throughout your home. Our furnace tune-ups are the absolute best in the business, with no hidden costs. For a furnace tune-up, contact Comfort Solutions Heating and Cooling today at 763-565-2121.